UGC is content created by users for brands. It gained massive popularity with TikTok in 2019, blending authentic creativity with brand collaborations to engage audiences like never before. 84% of consumers trust brands that market with UGC. It builds credibility, lowers UA costs, and diversifies your creative mix. Use standout visuals like text overlays, emojis, and subtitles, boosting conversions by 64%. Craft compelling scenarios, test messages and music, and stay true to TikTok's unique style. And don't forget to create hooks that capture attention instantly. Avoid overloading creator criteria. It slows things down. Keep videos under 45 seconds for better results. Overly polished videos don't perform. Prioritize authenticity. And don't let branding overshadow the content. It needs to feel organic. UGC drives trust and better ad performance. It's not influencer marketing. It's authentic, user-driven content. Focus on trends, empower creators, and integrate UGC into your broader strategy for optimal results.